In a real democracy, politicians fear the people. But in Nigeria, politicians ride the people. Stay with me and I will explain why. Let me start with this simple question. If politicians are really powerful, why do they beg you for vote every 4 years? Think about it. They kneel, they smile, they promise heaven and earth. But once they win, they mount you like a horse and start riding you. So what changed? Did they suddenly become powerful, or did you suddenly forget something? Today, let's talk about the power Nigerians in a democracy but don't know they are using. In Nigeria, we have been trained to believe one big lie. Politicians are too powerful. We see their convoys, we see police clearing the road, we see sirens, we see security everywhere. So we assumed this person is above us. But here is the truth nobody told you. In a democracy, politicians don't own power, they borrow it. They borrow it from who? From you. Without your vote, they are ordinary citizens. Without your support, they have no legitimacy. Without your silence, they have no comfort. But Nigerian politicians understand one thing very well. Most Nigerians don't know this. Before I continue, please, if this is your first time on this channel, support this channel by clicking on the subscription button, like, drop your comment in the comment section, and share this video for others to watch. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that it can notify you when we upload a new video. Okay, so how did Nigerians lose this power? Not by force, not by law, but by ignorance and division. They taught us to fight each other instead. Religion versus religion, tribe versus tribe, north versus south, and poor versus poor. Oh my God. While we fight, they unite. While we argue online, they share power quietly. And the worst part is that many Nigerians think democracy ends at voting. No, voting is only the beginning. Democracy is not vote and sleep. Democracy is vote and watch. But because most people don't watch, politicians misbehave. Let me tell you something shocking. In a democracy, the most powerful people are not presidents, governors, senators, House of Rep members, House of Assembly members, and the likes. The most powerful people are the voters, the citizens, the people who speak together. Politicians fear only one thing: an informed and united population. That is why they fear protests. That is why they fear social media. That is why they fear you young people waking up. Once the people understand their power, the game changes and the game will soon be over. Look around the world. Government fall, not by guns, but by people. But in Nigeria, many people say, my voice doesn't matter. That statement alone has empowered your politicians for decades. Let's be honest here. Politicians ride Nigerians because we forget promises quickly. We accept crumbs instead of rights. We praise leaders for doing their job. We attack whistleblowers. We defend politicians like family. A politician that knows you will forget will always lie. A politician that knows you won't demand accountability will always steal. But the day Nigerians start asking questions, real questions I mean real questions, that is the day power changes hand. Change does not start from Abuja. It starts from the mind of Nigerians, from refusing to sell votes, from rejecting tribal lies, from demanding results, not stories, from holding leaders accountable even after election. You don't need to be a politician to be powerful. You only need to be aware. Let me end with this. Politicians are not gods. They are our employees. You employ them. You are the one that employed them. They are your employer. And the employer is you. The moment Nigerians remember this, the riding will automatically stop. If this video made sense to you, don't forget to like, drop your thought in the comment section, and share it with others because they really need it. Don't forget, awareness is power. Thanks for watching.